Hi guys, my name is Dong and welcome back to my channel. So in today's vlog, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do sa Narita, Japan. I'm on my way na to the office para mag-report. So we're just gonna stay in Japan for like less than 12 hours. So yeah. I'm now inside the aircraft. Bawal na ako mag-vlog dito, obviously, kasi time na for work. I'm gonna be vlogging back pag na-arrive na kami sa Narita, Japan. Alright? Okay, see you in a while. Bye-bye.
A few moments later.
Hello again guys, so I'm back. We're now here in Narita. Pupunta na kami ngayon sa shuttle para doon na kami sasakay papuntang hotel namin. Lumalamig na dito sa Narita. Balita ko it's already 15 degrees. Now here at the hotel. So now I'm ready to shop. Yes, my favorite place. So, papark ko lang yung ko dito. Be back. Yay! So I'm gonna get one. Yeah. Tapos na ako sa pag-hoard ng food ko. Yun. So, papunta na ako sa room. Yeah. This is my room. Nilagay ko na yung mga pinamili ko. And what's very amazing is may palibre silang cellphone dito. So, pag may tourists, they can borrow this one. Tapos, free yung internet dito sa labas. Hi. I'm gonna put my things there. Natapos din, sobrang hirap pala mag-vlog na may dala-dala. I mean, nahulog-hulog pa yung mga gamit ko kanina. Gawin nating maayos yung room tour natin. Sige. Let's start from here. Ayan. So, have a mirror there. Yun yung mga pinamili ko. Lamps. TVs. Got 2 beds. Wala tayo sa CR. Tcharing! Ganda ng lighting dito sa CR. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prepare this one na. Alright. So yeah. Alam ko may parang kimono dito. Ayun! Ayan, magkikamono muna ako guys. So ayan, nakapagkimono na ako. Ho. Ho. Tumurkatok ko sa my stop. So I'm just waiting for my hot water to be boiled. So, ayun nga. Papanoorin nyo ako kumain. Forgot my... As I have said a while ago, itong flight namin dito sa Narita is just overnight. We're just gonna stay here for 11 hours. So, the usual thing na ginagawa namin, crew, is bumibili lang kami sa baba ng food for our dinner and for our breakfast for tomorrow. 3 minutes na ba yun? So, let's open first this one. Ito lang yung gustong-gusto ko pag sa Japan flight kasi sobrang sarap ng food nila dito. As in, yung food nila yung next ko na favorite. Yung pinaka-favorite ko talaga na food is from Bangkok. Sarap din doon. I'm done. I'm very full. Ayan, busog na po ako. I also finished my milk tea. The other ones I'm gonna bring sa Manila.
Later.
Katapos ko lang mag-toothbrush and maghilamos. I just washed my face and now I'm ready to sleep. I'm gonna be waking up tomorrow early morning, like 5 a.m. dyan sa Pilipinas and 6 a.m. here in Narita. So, good night.
The next day.
Good morning. So, it's already 6:06 a.m. dito.
1 hour later.
Itadakimasu. Breakfast na ako. Breakfast na ako. Naka-uniform na rin ako. Just finish my breakfast. So guys, that's about it. Yun na po yung nagagawa ko for 11 hours dito sa Narita, Japan. So I'm now ready for my flight back to Manila. See you there. Bye-bye.